Welcome back to Roam Away from Home's normal video schedule. I'm Taylor, and today I'm taking you on an e-bike tour through the Algarve region of Portugal from Lagos to Luz. Whether you're coming here for a visit or you live here, I highly recommend this activity, and I was so glad that my friends invited me along this week. One of my goals for this year of living in Portugal is to experience more local stuff in Lagos, because we traveled so much for music last year. So, in order to make that dream come true, I am heading on a e-bike ride with some friends and some visitors. And we're gonna go to nearby towns and stuff. The e-bike place has great reviews from everyone. So, come with me on this new local adventure. One of the best things about living in Lagos is there are so many activities you can do every day. So I took a little side quest to celebrate the 100 years of our local Mercado in Lagos. There's also a celebration of the 100 years of this market here in Lagos. So I had to check it out. So I ran here so I'd have enough time to check it out quickly. This market is located right near Old Town, and it has multiple stories. The bottom floor is the fish area here. I arrived a little bit late, so there weren't that many fish left, but this is a common place to get fresh fish locally. The upstairs area sells more produce and some cool souvenirs that you can take home with you. Obviously, check your agricultural laws if you're just visiting, but let's go check it out. Great success. These grapes are delicious. Uvas. I'm Portuguese. And now back to running because I'm so late. A break from the run because of all the hills. I'm getting close. Good little warm up. When I first arrived at Coast, I thought it was the wrong place because it looked like a clothing store, but fear not, Coast has both clothing and e-bike rentals. You will need a €20 deposit when renting a bike, so make sure you bring some cash. Here are the prices if you want to pause and look at them in more detail. Got the bike. Eee! Off to our first stop, which is Praia da Luz. This is one of my favorite beaches in Lagos, and I talk about it more in my top beaches of Lagos video. There's a beautiful viewpoint that you can easily access by e-bike, so let's go check it out. Our second stop is Ponte de Piedade, which is one of the most famous views of Lagos, and you have to go visit here. Even if you're not renting a bike, you can easily access it by hiking or even an Uber. There are plenty of boardwalks that lead you to this viewpoint, and it is truly spectacular.
We're lucky just to be alive. Another day we get to open our eyes and live like it's the first time. So let's live it right. Come on, let's live it right.
Normally it takes us a whole day. It's a whole day activity to come to Ponte de Piedade, and now we've already done Praia da Luz y Ponte de Piedade in one day because of the e-bike. Highly recommend.
Breathe
The third and final stop brings us to Praia da Luz, which is a neighboring town of Lagos. We talk about our favorite places to visit in Luz in our other YouTube video. This is a great e-bike stop because there are plenty of cute restaurants on the beach that you can stop and grab a bite to eat or have a drink. We made our way to Bode's, which is right on Praia da Luz, and a beautiful view with delicious food. That was so fun. Highly recommend e-bikes from Coast. Looks like a clothing store on the outside, but it is an e-bike rental, and we saw so much. Things that took us weeks to see, we packed it all in a day. All right, that was one of the most fun things I've done here. So if you're gonna come visit and you're comfortable with it, renting an e-bike and exploring Lagos, and you can also go to Mercado. It's really awesome. We did the 4 hours and we were able to see so much. It helps know where you're going, so I will put our little route in the description. But 100 out of 10 recommend. And big shout out to my friends Jims, two friends named Jim, for showing us that cool route. It was really fun. Thank you for joining me on this bike ride adventure. I hope you do the same and love it. And thank you to my fellow bike gang members for taking me on this awesome day. Come back next time for, I haven't honestly decided. I'm debating if you want to see some London travel, you want to see more local Portugal, maybe some Spain. Let me know in the comments what you want to see and what you'd like to learn more about, and I'm happy to make those videos for you next. Thanks. Bye.